Good evening. Good night. This is April 7, 2019. And this video presentation is to discuss experimental randomized design. And we're saying that experimental designs are as part of the quantitative research design method for scholars who are interested in pursuing a research on any topic, for example, maybe education or drug abuse. So, that being said, we'll go into what is experimental design and random design and what types of random designs that are within experimental designs. So we will talk about what is experimental. Experimental design method is an observation. A researcher used this as an observation to study, to investigate, to examine, to determine what, why, and how. And that being said, we will focus on two types of random design method, and that is random assignment and random selection. Random selection is based on a population or participant, and you randomly pick like two or three people or two groups, or 1 to 2 groups, and each group maybe have 1 or 2 people that randomly picked out in a population. And that is a small or control study that gives you the result that you're looking for towards your subject matter or your topic. Then random assignment is everyone that participates in this random assignment is considered to be treated equal participant. Therefore, each one participated will be accounted for in the research. The next aspect is, how do you select a random assignment participant? And there are options on doing that. There are options of rolling a dice, or simply rolling a dice, or taking a name out of a hat, or a number out of a hat. Participant can, or it's simply as a computer generated list is also another option. And the participants who take part in this will be equally in this will be studied equally. And there are errors in both assignments, and not everybody's going to answer questions. There are going to be errors where things are not going to be pertaining to your research, or people will not answer. So you're going to have errors as well in terms of your research, and you have to outline those. Then we're going to go into sampling, and which is a key aspect of experimental random designs. And there are two types of sampling. There is the probability strategy of sampling, and there is non-probability of sampling. And there's two options. And probability of sampling, there is the possibility that you gonna have simple sampling. And simple sampling, it's easy, it's because the environment or your participant is from one area or a small area, and it's focused, and the advantage is that it's limited to that area. Whereas, what's the benefits of doing all of this is experimental research helps the scholars or researchers to answer questions or topics that can help provide answers, could provide, I'm not saying it would, but it also will leave questions and leading to other questions. And as a researcher, it's important to understand the concept of experimental design. Also, taking into account that experimental design is helpful to the researcher who wants to do. It's a simpler and easier way to do quantitative research. So we can make that option. It's easy. You have your sampling, you have your data you've been collecting from your sampling, and that's like demographics, whether educational background, race, you live in suburbia or urban cities, or health or age, will help the researcher narrows the subject matter and focus on who and what the demographics and the impact it has on their studies. So all of these is very good aspects in what experimental randomized design is all about. So I hope this is helpful to you, and I wish you luck in your research. Thank you.